Well, the van's all packed up and we are ready to head out for the weekend. We're going to meet up with a group of van lifers, mostly from the Florida area. And we're going to be over on the Sunshine Skyway Bridge on the near the South Fishing Pier. Free dispersed camping right on the water. Beautiful location and a great group of people. We'll fill you in after the event.
Are we there yet?
Getting close.
Hold on to the hand of self-destruction. And I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago. Just give me a sec while I smoke this cigarette. My aching body feels better still. What do you do when you pick up my guitar?